What's going on YouTube? It's me and today we're doing Axlle from HackTheBox. So this is really cool Windows box, but it's quite hard. We are just trying to be using here Microsoft Windows Office systems, which one is the Axlle format. We're going to be visiting with here with phishing attack on SMTP on port 25. Then we are creating here really small shortcut for the second user, and after they grab the to be bloodhound data is here. I think we will be visiting here to be privilege escalation. I really don't remember too much. It's because I will be doing here. I was doing here really long time ago. And we'll do here again here and with you again. So if you're ready, let's get started here fastly. As always, we are starting with mmap. So generally, I'm using here -t4 and -p for to be scanning all ports and giving here -v for double verbose and giving the IP addresses of the web system, actually target system. So there's QWERTY port is open, so there's too much port is open here, and then we can understand here this is actually to be 80 box, but there's something different. For example, we have an SMTP on port 25, and we have also its web server HTTP on port 80, and the another things is look like for the 80 boxes. So I will be visiting here as new tags, and let's checking here and visiting here our web server. So it's gonna be say our website is currently down for mentions, and we apologize and blah blah, and they are just giving her as a here notes. And if you have any outstanding invoices or requests, please email them accounts xll.htp. So in this video we are going to be checking here the Axlle format and how we can do it here, and we'll be doing here phishing attack with SWAX. So let's check in here Axlle format. And now what is XLX, XLS or XLSX, so how it's actually Axlle work, and I will be visiting here the new things. So we are doing here office attacks. So we will be sending here our phishing attack on port 25, which one is working on SMTP, and then doing here the phishing attack with Axlle format, and it will be do here xll-exec. So I will be visiting here xll-exec right now, and it will be giving us something different. So you may want to be ready here, really great, actually really great things. So after we checking here, and this is really cool. The 4xll-pog is over here, and it's running here C. This is also the another cool things, but there is no need. We just need to be starting here to be an enumeration on office and attacks. So it's from Swiss repo and internal all things, red team, access and office attacks. Then after we checking here xll-exec and what is over here, and need to be checking here how it's actually work. I will gonna be visiting here xll-exec, and then just looking here is an xll file tab is primarily Microsoft Excel. So need to be doing here. It's remaining us to here for the send it on to be Windows for compile, but there is no needed. We can do it here also in the big Kali Linux. You just need to be giving your command on line exec well. So after we checking here, you just need to be changing here windows.h to be not greater than smaller one, and your command is over here. I definitely recommend here rochelle.com. Oh my god, so let's wait a minute. So you have to be visiting here and go for Windows and PowerShell base64 and then like third one, and just visit here. To compile, there is no needed any Windows system. You may want to be listening here on x64 and giving here -pick the share it and giving your name exploit.c and giving your -l user 32. Then after you're doing here, it will be creating osman.xll is over here to be sended SWAX. It's gonna be work and giving to be your target from and header and body things and another things. Important things here, you have to be giving your attach with ads and giving your server. Then after you run it, you will be get shell as here. I get a shell before because this machine is really unstable, and check recording with this video twice, and that's why I was the get shell as before, and we are right now as here get shell as Gideon Hamel. So that's really cool, and it's gonna be working right now. Is really cool. So let's go visiting and try to be enumerating 2 more, and then maybe we will be get here something different. So that's fine. And who am I? We are already get it. Then after that, let's do here fastly. Who am I? All. And there is no any potato things or any others. So there is no needed to be doing here enumeration. Who am I? All too much. And just go for here tier. And we have app development. So which one is I think really important? I don't know. So let's checking an app development. So there is nothing here. Maybe we have no access or permission they needed or something like that. So let's try to be visiting. I will be go back and say here tier and looking for program files. So let's do it here first. Cd users and tier, and there's some user we actually get it, but there is no needed to be looking for them right now. I will be go back tier and let's visiting here program files x64. Okay, let's try to be do it. So there is really cool. We are getting here something different, and then I really want to be file the HTML server. That's because we are getting here to be shell as swags. Maybe something different is over here. So the uninstall things or any others. So there's look like important too much. And then after we checking here, let's looking for first on data. Maybe we can find something different, and then xll-exec. So let's try to be visiting here. Alright, so we have an access right now and download matrix. It's look like or another users here, and it's giving us 2f or something like that. So let's try to be go here to f. Is there something? And we got here email from the someone. So let's try to be type it and what it says, and there's look like nothing here. I think it's odd. We cannot run it. Okay, so type them all. Okay, it's say sending SWX also here. It's to the everyone is over here. The web developer group is doing some development to figure out the best way to automate the checking and additional URLs. It's also in portal. We ask that you drop any web shortcut. So there's something look like another phishing attack need to be go here, and then to drop any web shortcut. So we need to be try to be creating here web shortcuts, and which one is really cool. Then maybe we are getting shell as back here on CINetBob testing folder, so we can test an automation. So let me try to be visiting here and there. So there's look like no any others the different things here actually for the URL, but we can starting or can creating here with to be shells on the URL, and let's try to be create it and doing here as like to be user, right? So this is actually how we can create a shell here or any others, and so we need to be creating here something before then what we actually doing here. Then this to be web shortcuts, and then after be listening here, and if it's automation, this will be created here new reverse shell, then using here as to be reverse shell HTA, then grab another reverse shell on my any other things for sure, right? So let's looking for on the web shortcuts before. Let's try to be web shortcuts. So I will be say here hack tricks, maybe gonna be say something else. Nope, this is actually not I am looking for. So let's exploit, let's see, and then maybe we can find something shortcut to malicious URL files. So this is actually what I am looking for. So this is how it's we can creating the shortcuts for to be URL. So let's try to be visiting here and then creating here and for our URL first, and this could be our URL, right? So then after that, I think we can do can change here something different which we are uploaded here. I will be users and public, and let's do it here on downloads and shell.hta. So if we can create the shell.hta on users public and downloads, This shortcut will be used for new user and we can grab shell as him. So I will be visiting here on new things is shell.hda file or the exploit you may want to be listened, and this is how we can work. The HDA shell is over here, I think. Let's see. How we can create malicious HDA file. This is actually I am looking for, and this look like really cool. Then I think we can use it. So I will be opening here new things. Sublime tags shell.hda. It look like fine. We just need to be changing here to another things for creating here or not creating here for the shell, right? But we just need to be here on the shell.hda for the first. So we can do it here with our URL and can upload it here with the URL file. The another things actually how it's actually work, right? Or for the creating things on the raw shell exe file, the shell.hda if it's not needed. So let's close it. That's fine. And then I will be go here, and there is something different in URL. For example, if I am trying to be grab here MSF Venom, like which I used before, Windows meter peer-to reverse TCP, giving your L host, L port, shkadegnaya, and giving your payload.exe. I already grabbed it here before payload.exe, and I think we can change it here with let's change it here a.exe, right? That look like fine. So or malicious URL, it's here. I think it's look like alright, and then I will be opening here MSF console-q to be open it. Let's see, MSF console, no, MSF Venom. So we're gonna use it. Let's try before use exploit multi-handler, then just grab it here. All right, use exploit multi, what's wrong? Okay, use exploit multi handler. All right, set payload, give it here, set L host to 0, set L port on 443, and now let's looking for options. There's all right. That's I really don't like it. It's gonna be work, but I really don't like it. Let's looking for options. That's look like fine. Let's do exploit. All right. We need to be open here payload.exe first. Cat. All right. So let's try to be visiting here first. Is over there. All right. Let's try to be visiting. So that's fine. So we are just need to be open here and upload our file with successfully. So we need to be maybe, I don't think so, but maybe to be grab here shell really important things. It's because so I'm gonna be using here the payload.exe, right? To a.exe. That's fine. Let's upload it here. That's fine. PowerShell. I will be use PowerShell-exec bypass and -c. We'll be using here command widget HTTP. We're gonna be use my IP addresses and a.exe-o a.exe. Let's try. It's look like fine. So after my check, a.exe is over here. And from this mail, we need to be visiting first, see inetpub and testing. And let's do. We'll be creating here my URL. It will be this one, I imagine. So let's upload it here with curl. I think it's not important too much. Let's see. So my URL is over here and they are visiting my URL. After they visiting my URL, I hope I will be get shell as back here with to be user. I hope it's gonna be work. So let's try to be waiting a bit. All right, so we are get shell as back here or new user Delon matrix. So that's really cool. I'm gonna be using here shell, and let's use it here PowerShell fastly. And then I wanna check where am I. We are Delon matrix. Go for users, and then cd Delon dot matrix. That's great. Go for desktop, and then I hope we got it here user.txt. So everything looks like fine. Let's do here who am I all first. Maybe some potato gonna be work, and there is no any potato will work here unfortunately, but we have new shell right now as user. So there's something we need to be do here important, I think, to be understanding everything is the fastly. Then I think we can upload here xll or any others to be grab here. You know, we can grab here to be users the public. Then I will be going here again downloads because it was work correctly. Then after I xll gonna be used here, I think it's gonna be work. So let me try to be uploaded here Elliot tools sharpont and sharpont.exe. That's fine. So the Python instance is already work. So let's copy it, and then gonna be work here PowerShell-exec. So who we are? Nope, here I think is here. Okay, who am I? It's not important too much. PowerShell-exec bypass. I think it was like that, right? PowerShell-exec bypass, and then that's C. Then which command you want to be listening here? Let me give you my IP address fastly, and which file I want to be listen, and save as HAXE. I hope it's gonna be work. Where's my? Alright, so it's got it here sharpont.exe. Then after we do it here, I think we can grab here. That's fine. Let's run it. Alright. Happy graphing, and we grab here bloodhound data successfully. Gonna be using here curl, and I nowadays I'm using here. Okay, so there is no docker compose and the dots. This one, right? So let me do here locate, and let's grab it here fastly. No cp. That's fine. Let's try to be run it again. It's gonna be work on port 80. Let's try. Then I will be upload my bloodhound data, and gonna be listening here, and let's see what we can do. Let's upload here first on my Linux, right? So but you just need to be change them like there, and like this. Okay, let's download. Okay, everything looks fine. Is it giving her any password? Yes. Alright, so let's access here Bloodhound Community Edition. Giving my new password. Oh my fucking god. No, it was not like that. Wait a minute. I hope it's gonna work. Alright, so we are grab here. Everything looks fine. And shell. Then after you check it here, we grab our bloodhound data. Let's visit in here blood. Let's go blood, cp, unzip. Our bloodhound data is here. So filing, just we need to be go upload a file. Let's visit in here documents and blood. Let's upload all, upload and close. So let's waiting for ingesting. Then after that we can do what we need to be do here. Then we can do everything we can access it here for to be grab them, right? So let's waiting for is ingesting. Then after that in ingesting we can do what we are need to be do here first, right? So that was really cool. Okay, so the first of all, I want to be check here that after that PowerShell, who am I here and which user I have to be looking first. And then I think our goal need to be do here what the matrix can do and for any user or the another if there is any different path to be computer or another things or something like that, right? So this is really important things first of all need to be do, and then we can grab this shell or do to be can change password or doing here something cool, and then after that complete go for and then matrix then xll.htp gonna be click here and looking for output object control. So there's really cool we are web developer and can change password for xll.htp. So and what we can actually do here to before changing here password for Jacob Greeny and then or bass or something like that. I cannot spelling it, so let's do everything on Jacob Greeny. Can change his password, then after we do it can get shell as Jacob Greeny. So I really wonder is what can Jacob Greeny do. Let's do execution privilege. Okay, he has the CAN-PS remote, so we can do with his password evil Windows RM. So this is really cool. So the great things to be do here with Delta Matrix on Bloodhound data, we can learn here how we can change password on Windows abuse or to be Linux abuse is over here. Which one is cool, I think, right? So let's try. Okay, I will be here first. Let's go. Okay, I will be visiting here program data. Let's grab here first Power View, Elliot Tools, Power View, PowerShell 1, and Python Listener, CD program data. I hope it's work. Let's see, who am I? Okay, Delta Matrix can do curl HTTP, giving your IP addresses and which port, Power View, PowerShell 1, and which we are to be doing here is a second password and or another things, but let me show you which I'm actually doing here. I really it was like force change password, right? Yeah. I wonder which one I used it here before. I want to be using same things. Is actually we just need to be convert to be string and give it here for new user. So this is really basic things, I think. So let's import its module from PowerView PowerShell 1 first, and then I wonder if I'm going to be giving here password value as I will be convert to secure string for sure. Then let's give it here new password 123 and giving this and as plain text dash force. I wonder if it's gonna be work. Alright, it's work, and the set, because we are on the same domain, we can use it here set domain user password directly, and then let's see, just giving here identify and the which user is Jacob Greeny, right? Alright, it's Jacob Greeny, that's fine, and Jacob dot Greeny dash account password and then giving here with pass. Alright, I think it's gonna be work, so let's try nxz win rm on we can try here x.htp, but just give it here the Jacob, right? It was greeny and dash p. It's gonna be the winner, right? Password 123. Now let's see. Oh, it's look like not work. Really? I wish it's need to be worky here, and I don't know why. Okay, it's Jacob Greeny, and for password, this one. It's out. It's really out. Let's try here evil win rm dash I 10 10 11 12 dash u Jacob Greeny and dash p. Which password we give here? Okay, I think it's gonna be work. It's out. I don't know why it's not work. Let's see. All right, we are get shell as back here, Jacob Greeny. Now let's go here back. All right, so we can do here dear. There's look like not any others different user or another things are I didn't show any things actually. So okay, so that means let's looking for another things here. But there was something different. If you remember before, there was something on the here in C tab. It was app development. Maybe we haven't access right now here. I really want that. Okay, so wait a minute. Okay, shit. If we have an access right now, then yes, we have access right now. App development. It could be next way to be do it. So let's try to be visiting here. Let's call it here tier, and then it's some SLN file and readme. So let me type here readme.md. I hope it's giving us something different. So what it says, all right, so the keyboard features something to note. I have automatic running on C program files, Windows Git testing standalone, the x64 standalone.exe. So it's out. So there's something running on the automated running on standalone.exe. If we can change it here with OR files, so I think we can do it here, right? So what if I visiting here app development with here and just change it here and with OR pack, I think it's gonna be work, right? So first of all, then I think is you might know why. Okay, let's try to be visiting here. Okay, the tier. So there's or standalone runner.exe. Then if I do here, it's out. So let's open here msf console-q again, and I hope it will be give shell as back here. So let's do to be here internal, and then maybe we gotta get it here. The 0 files failed progressing 1 files. No, it's need to be work. It's out. Oh, that's why, right? So all right, that's why I think we have to be changed internal or standalone runner exit. I think it will be enough for just standalone.exe, right? All right, so we are just trying to stop it, and let's upload it here fastly. Okay, let's change here. My everything is fine. I hope set payloads add host and add port, then do it exploit. Okay, just upload it here standalone or exe as Python listener. I will be upload here as standalone.exe. That's fine. Curl HTTP. Upload it here and save it as standalone.runner.exe. I hope it's gonna be work. Is deleted? Why? It's not need to be deleted here. It's out. It's really out. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, it's really out. Okay, let me say dear again. Let's do it one more time. Curl. Why access is deleted? I really don't understand. Am I doing something wrong? I don't think so, but maybe need to be do like that. Okay, s. I'm doing for everything. I hope it's gonna be work right now. What the fuck? It's need to be work, bro. There's something odd. Yeah, there's something odd. It's need to be work. You know. Okay, let's do move a.exit to this. No need to be here, I think. Curl. Let's do upload it here. It's odd, bro, you know. Right. So I think it's need to be changed here right now. I wish ls-la. No. And then do it here again. Let's see. I have no idea what we are doing wrong. Let's need to be look like that, I imagine. Really out. Let's see. Yeah, I know it's out. I have no idea why it's not working. But it seems to be working like that. Check file names or paths, something like it says. Let's see, try it again. But I wish, yeah, it's working like that. I'm pretty sure that it's not working right now, but it's out. Yeah, less. Yeah, it's not gonna be changed. Yeah, but it's out, but it needs to be giving here shell as back as root. I don't know why. Let's try like that. Now, I'm pretty sure it's correct. But I don't know why it's not working. I really wonder. So let's do it again. I really don't care. I'm pretty sure it's okay. Thank you for watching this video, but it's not to be work for you. I wish